Hello friends. Today we are here to introduce how to install TradingFinder indicators on the MetaTrader 5 platform. On this page, you can read about how to access and install TradingFinder indicators on different platforms. From the Indicators section, simply go to the MetaTrader 5 indicators and easily select the particular indicator that you specifically want or require. On this page, you can learn how the indicator works and functions. From the Download section, download relevant file for MetaTrader 5 platform, selecting the downloaded folder. Run the indicator file for MetaTrader 5 platform in two ways. The first method is simplest and fastest. Selecting the indicator file and running it, the indicator will be added to your indicators in Navigator section. Delete the file from this section. And the second method is to go to File tab, select Open Data folder, then enter MQL5 folder, go into Indicators folder, and select the indicator file, and dragging and dropping it into the folder. Add the indicator file. The indicator file will be added to your indicators in the Navigator section. I'm going to delete the file from this part. And for the second method, you go to the File tab, select Open Data folder, then enter the MQL5 folder, and go into the Indicators folder. By selecting the indicator file and dragging and dropping it into the folder, you can add the indicator file. After that, go to the Navigator section, right-click in this area, and select the Refresh option. By selecting the indicator file and dragging and dropping it into the folder, you can add the indicator file. Then, by going to the Navigator section, right-clicking in this area, and selecting the Refresh option, we refresh this section and see that the indicator file has been added for us. Go to the Navigator section, right-click, and select Refresh. To update this section, the indicator file is added. Drag it onto the chart to run it. Confirm to execute the indicator on your chart. And by selecting the file and dragging it onto the chart, you can run the indicator file in this section. By selecting the Confirm option, the indicator file will be executed on your chart. Well, friends, we've reached the end of the tutorial on installing the indicator. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.